Check out this Ford 2016 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: equipment group 300A base, gross vehicle weight, 6, 150 pounds payload package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo, single CD player and radio, single CD with SiriusXM Satellite. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.